he's directing traffic. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hello, how are you? Good.
Could you get your name and date of birth?
For what?
Because you're recording all of this, so this is actually considered evidence. So I'm going to petition for a search warrant for the phone. So
You're gonna petition a search warrant for my phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? I came after.
So when you record all this, it's also considered evidence. So
I'm out in public. I'm out in public.
Yeah.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Peanut411. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on November 5th, 2021 and on January 18th, 2021. The first video takes place in Mooresville, North Carolina. The auditor was out cop watching and came across a traffic accident. Everything was going calmly until an officer of the Mooresville Police Department takes notice of the auditor. The officer comes across the street to the auditor and threatens to arrest her for not giving him her ID. The second video takes place at the state capitol building in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And for some reason, an officer takes offense to the auditor asking how tall he is. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
You. Good.
Could you get your name and date of birth?
For what?
Because you're recording all of this, so this is actually considered evidence. So I'm going to petition for a search warrant for the phone. So
You're gonna petition a search warrant for my phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? I came after.
So when you record all this, it's also considered evidence. So
I'm out in public. I'm out in public.
Yeah. Anytime that somebody records anything with a crime, I can ask for it as evidence.
This is not a crime. It's an automobile. It's an automobile accident.
No, it's not, because I'm the one doing the investigation. It's actually a crime. So what's your name? Man?
I'm not giving you mine. I haven't committed a crime.
Well, you're recording.
I am recording in public.
You're allowed to record. That's
Right.
But when you're recording and it's part of my investigation, because
It's a traffic accident.
it is more than a traffic accident.
Well, right now,
Were you over there speaking to the gentleman that caused the accident?
no.
Exactly. So I'm the one doing the investigation.
Right.
So it is more than a traffic accident.
All right, so I have no personal information of what's going on over
You're
there.
recording my investigation. So
From
when you're recording my investigation, this is also evidence. So I can take that. I can ask for the search warrant for the phone, so I can record.
you cannot have my phone without a search warrant. You'll have to get a
And that's
search
why-
warrant.
And that's why I'm asking you for your name. So now you're asking, and you're not providing me with.
No,
your name.
because I haven't committed a crime.
But you have evidence to this.
No, because it occurred afterwards.
You're recording me.
I know, but it's after the
You're
fact.
recording me investigating him. Okay. So
Yeah, that's-
You recorded my test. When it comes down to my test, I need any video that proves my exam, and you are recording that.
Right, so get a search warrant.
Exactly. In order
But
for me to get a search warrant, I need your name.
but you've got a bad body camera. My phone will do nothing for
I
you.
need your name and date of birth.
No, I'm not giving you my name and
If
birth.
you don't give me your name and date of birth, then you can also be placed under arrest or RDO.
Are you gonna arrest me for?
I'm advising you of what can happen.
Are you saying that I'm under arrest for not committing a crime? For filming in public, I will be arrested.
Actually, ma'am, when I'm asking you for your name and date of birth because you are recording a crime scene right now, which it is a crime scene as well,
All right.
not a traffic accident. You're recording, so I'm asking you as evidence. Okay, so I'm going to try to enter the video that you recorded as evidence.
But this occurred. I didn't record anything other than.
You're not understanding what I'm saying. So you got here after
I
the
have
fact,
right, and I have no
Okay,
evidence.
Listen to me. When you got here after the fact, okay? You got here after the fact. When I got him out of my vehicle and I was doing
The fire truck was in the way. The fire truck was in the way.
Because I looked this way and you were
Right, you had already getting ready to cuff him.
You were recording this whole time my investigation. This is part of the evidence. Okay?
You have your body cam is better than what I got on here.
Any video in this area. Anybody recording that pertains to this incident can be entered as evidence. Okay, so that is why. Am I saying I'm gonna go out of my way to get your phone video? No, but if the circumstances shows up that I have to have that video in order to prove my case, then I will contact you about your video. That is why I need your name and date of birth so I can contact you for the video if I need the video.
No. There's no reason to.
I'll be right back.
I'm... You're short like me. Have a question, guys.
Okay.
Up there on the... Oh, what do you...
Plaza area?
Yeah. There is a marijuana flag up there.
Yes.
New state flag.
Is it the new state flag, or why is it there, do you know?
Lieutenant Governor put it there. Don't really have an answer for him. So.
Oh, okay, yeah, because there's a two rainbow flags and the...
You have to take it up with the governor and the lieutenant governor's office.
Okay.
Yeah, good luck with that. They're gonna hide it too much. That's hilarious.
Well, I just think it's funny
They can
to...
make money off extorting you through marijuana, and now it's legal. So all those innocent people that went to jail for marijuana and still in jail, what happened to them? I don't worry about them. They're just debt slaves. The guys that are knocking on the doors.
So if you don't mind, how tall are you? I'll tell you how tall I am. I'm 4'11", or 4'10" and a quarter.
Is there any reason you're asking me that? Or?
Yeah, because you're short like me.
Okay. See, there's no height or weight limit. All you need to do is be able to do what you're told for a welfare check.
I thought I was being friendly. I didn't mean to be nasty in any way, shape, or form. I was just asking.
They can't be nice to the people that pay their paychecks. They're so paranoid and so whacked out, and so mind twisted. Wow. Free people, they hate free people.
Whoops.
This is how China and Russia formed. Press, hurt.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Peanut411's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.